Hello YouTube, this is Lady Ann. Thank you for checking out my channel. Today's video I will be talking about broken nails and what I use to make my nails grow back after they're just break. I don't know if you have weak, brittle, or nails that just, when they grow, they just break. Girl, chat please. Yes, so I use Nailtiques 2 Plus, which is really good. I've been using it for years. Right here. I know y'all are saying, well, if you used it for years, then why your nails looking like this? Well, my nails is looking like this because I haven't taken care of them in months. And after you don't take care of them for months, after a while, and you don't put the nail polish on, of course, they go back to the original state and they break. So I am going to start off, I'm polishing my nail. Polishing them type of thing, because like I said, I love this nail polish. Okay, this nail polish is awesome. I normally put about 2 coats two coats on my nails. They say for you to redo it, to put it on every other day. I do that in the beginning, and then after a while, I go to a week. In this case, I probably will be putting it on every other day, but I'm going to do a video every week to show you what it looks like after a week's time on my nail. Okay. Like I said, I normally put 2 coats on. I love what it looks like after, because I go, when I put this on my nail and do the nail polish and go to get it done after they grow out, and trust me, they do grow out, they think I got acrylic on my nails, and I'm like, no. That's how nice and thick it is and how it makes your nails look afterwards. So like I said, stay tuned. I am just, when it gets down to like this, the bottle is just so hard to get out. I personally like the big bottle, but they didn't have any more at CVS. But like I said, I've used Nailtiques for years, and I love how it makes my nails grow out. I love the strength. I love how it makes it harden. And I like how the finish looks, So, like I said, I use Formula 2 because that's what strengthens and grows your nails. Formula 1 is for if you already have nails and you're not having problems growing it out. Now, I don't know how other people's nail reacts to this, but I do know how my nail react, and I'm pretty sure if you're looking for a nail hardener, this is what this is. This is a nail hardener, a nail strengthener. It strengthens your nails, keeps it from breaking. And I mean, of course, if you don't take care of it like I didn't for months, of course the nail is going to revert back to being thin, and of course it's going to break. So I want y'all to come with me and follow me as I get my nails back into shape and strong again by using Nailtiques Plus 2. That's what I use, Nailtiques Plus 2. You could always check them out too. So let me know. Please subscribe. Let me know if this video helps. Let me know if you go out and get it. If you have any question, because like I said, there's different formulas. Ask me, and I'll let you know. These is what they are right now. Okay, this is what it looks like. Got some break. All right. Thanks, YouTube. Thanks for watching. This is Lady Ann.